North and up in New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Fairfield County in southern Connecticut, southwestern New Haven County in southern Connecticut, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Reading, or 8 miles southwest of Newtown, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Fairfield around 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Bridgeport around 3:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Trumbull around 3:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Milford and Shelton around 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Connecticut, Fairfield, and New Haven.
Okay. Oh, who is this gonna be for? Okay, who's this gonna... I bet this is gonna be for my county.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
It's not me.
At 5:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Palmer, or 13 miles east of Springfield, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Worcester, Shrewsbury, Ludlow, Holden, Belchertown, Charlton, Palmer, Spencer, Leicester, Ware, Sturbridge, Monson, Rutland, Sterling, West Boylston, Westminster, Barry, Warren, Paxton, and North Brookfield. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts, Kaplan, Hampshire, and Worcester. The National...
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Severe thunderstorm.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, south central Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Sturbridge, or 14 miles southwest of Worcester, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Worcester, Framingham, Marlborough, Shrewsbury, Milford, Hudson, Westboro, Grafton, Holden, Webster, Southbridge, Ashland, Auburn, Northbridge, Hopkinton, Northborough, Oxford, Holliston, Millbury, and Charlton. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
This is coming straight for me.
Worcester, Massachusetts.
Pretty soon, I'm going to get a severe thunderstorm warning for Windham County. I'm just knowing it.
The National Weather